How to fix Messenger not working. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix Messenger application not working. So first and foremost, what you can do is to fix that issue, simply head over to your settings on your device, and once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you find this apps section and simply search or filter the Messenger application from over here, and simply tap on this and again scroll down and click on storage option. So from over here, basically you have to click on this clear cache and clear all the data from over here, and once you do that, restart your application. And if it's still not working, then in that case what you need to do is just come over to your Play Store and simply search in for Messenger application. And once you search it for that, make sure you have updated your application to its latest version. So if there's any update available, simply tap on this just like this. In my case, it's asking me for update, so I'll just simply click on it to update my Messenger application to its latest version. So once you do that, all of your bugs or errors will be fixed just like that from the Messenger application itself. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.